Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to share this video. How do I get Excel to read text aloud? So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to read Excel the text aloud what you type in your Excel file, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open your Excel file. In top you will find this arrow mark option. Click on this. This is called customize quick access toolbar. In this you will find more commands. Click on that. Here you can see popular command. You have to just click on this drop down menu, then select commands not in the ribbon. After that scroll down. Here you need to find speak cells. You can see here speak cells. Just click on this speak cells. Then click on add. Then click on OK. Now you will find this icon here, speak cells. You have to just select your text. Then click on this icon.
Hi, how are you?
You can see now the Excel will read your all the text aloud. That's it guys. So this way you can do the settings for Excel file to read a text aloud. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.